Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming exactly what Index 2 refers to in your context and why you need it. Gather access credentials or an API key and open a browser's developer tools or an API client so you can inspect requests. Once done, navigate to the data source URL and trigger the action that returns the list or array. Make sure to capture the raw response, JSON, HTML, or CSV, so you can read the sequence and identify the third element labeled Index 2. You now inspect the response format to find the third item at Index 2. If it's JSON, expand the array in DevTools or pipe the response to JQ. 2. If it's HTML, use Document. Query selector All and check Element 2. For CSV, load into a parser and read row Index 2. Make sure you account for zero-based indexing versus one-based lists, and validate keys or columns so you extract the correct field rather than a neighboring value. You finish by saving the extracted Index 2 value and documenting its source and timestamp, then automate the step with a small script or scheduled job to repeat reliably. Once automated, verify consistency across runs and add error handling for empty responses or schema changes. If you don't find Index 2, check for pagination, permission errors, or API rate limits. Make sure filters aren't excluding that item. Finally, retest with varied queries so you trust the extraction under real conditions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.